Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the camera timer option in this device. For this, open camera settings, then swipe down like this. Then here you can see the option timer, 3 second and 10 second. Let me show you. You can see, right? Then you can select either 3 second or 10 seconds. So simply here I am going to select the option 3 seconds. Now here at the bottom you can see 3. Just tap on this one. You can see, yeah, the photo is taken. You can change to 10 second also. You can see now it's 10 second. Tap on this one. Now you can see the timer is running. Just wait for a few seconds. Yeah, simply the photo is taken. So if you want to turn off this timer, again go to settings, just off. Tap on this option, off. So simply in this way you can enable the camera timer option in this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.